Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by making sure both devices are ready. Power the TV and select the casting input now. Once done, connect your phone to the same Wi-Fi network the TV or dongle uses. This permits discovery and streaming. Make sure the casting device's app is open on the TV so it can accept a connection. Next, unlock your phone and open its native screencast function. This is the first actionable step toward mirroring your phone display to the television. Now initiate the connection. Open your phone's cast or screen mirroring feature and look for the TV's name in the device list. Tap that name to start negotiation and watch for pairing code or authorization prompt on the TV. This step verifies you are connecting to the right display. Grant permissions on either the TV or phone when asked, allowing screen and audio access. Once paired, the phone begins encoding and sending frames. Make sure you stay on the same app if it requires continuous streaming. Finish by adjusting orientation and volume from the phone, and if available, change resolution or quality in cast settings to reduce lag. When you're done, stop casting from the phone's quick settings or the TV's app to free resources. If the screen doesn't appear, restart both phone and TV, confirm they are on the same network, and try again. As a last resort, use a wired HDMI adapter from phone to TV. This quick reboot or switch to wired usually resolves persistent connection failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.